Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you ready to take your enterprise AI game to the next level? Then buckle up, because in this clip, we're diving into the world of Microsoft Copilot, the ultimate assistant for building powerful AI solutions. First things first, let's talk about the power of collaboration. With Copilot, you're not alone in your AI journey. This intelligent assistant uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your code and provide helpful suggestions, making coding faster and more efficient. It's like having a virtual coding partner by your side, offering real-time assistance and freeing up your time to focus on the bigger picture. But here's the key insight. Copilot isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. Need to generate code for a specific language or framework? No problem. Copilot can handle it. Want to train your AI models with minimal effort? Copilot's got your back. Plus, it's constantly learning and improving, adapting to your coding style and preferences. With Copilot, you have a powerful assistant that can handle any AI challenge you throw its way. Now, I know what you're thinking. A tool this advanced must be complicated to use, right? Wrong. Microsoft has designed Copilot with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive interface and easy integration with popular coding platforms like Visual Studio Code and GitHub make it accessible to both experienced coders and beginners. And if you do run into any issues, there's a wealth of online resources and a supportive community to lend a hand. So here's your call to action. Give Copilot a try and see for yourself how it can revolutionize your AI development process. Whether you're a data scientist, AI engineer, or just curious about the latest tech, Copilot is a game changer that can take your skills to new heights. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest tech trends, subscribe to Fastlane for more informative tech clips like this one. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.